Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another weekly market update. Today we're going to take a look at the market from a technical perspective. So before we continue, we obviously know we got some news coming through tonight at the FOMC meeting minutes. I will make a reaction video to that tomorrow just to keep you guys up to date with what Powell had said. But as it stands now, the dollar index is way oversold. Poor dollar index. But this is what happens when inflation comes down. Now, quick look at some headlines here from CNBC. It says here, gold rises on dollar weakness as focus turns to Fed minutes. Now, they're obviously expecting Jerome Powell to come through tonight and say some words of encouragement. Hopefully, if he does give us an indication of no interest rate indications, then unfortunately things are not going to look good for the dollar index, right? But like I said, I'll make a full reaction to that. Stocks are slightly lower after the S&P 500 was doing quite well. Stocks was performing very good, and that obviously came from the signs that inflation is starting to cool down. Although some news reports from Twitter suggested that a stock market crash is going to come. On that note, right? Now, before we get into the technical analysis, can I please ask whoever of you guys is creating fake accounts just so you can comment on my YouTube videos, right? I don't understand what the purpose for that is. Like, why would you go out of your way? Yesterday, I read a comment where someone said you must respond. The account was also created yesterday. Why would you go through all of that effort? And I'm probably sure this is one of the people who makes $200,000, $100,000 trading on the market. Where does rich people find time like this? I've never seen Elon Musk because I troll a lot of people on Twitter, but that's a different story. I've never seen Elon Musk coming to say, yo, you're not supposed to do that. No. Yeah, you get people who's supposed to enjoy their millions, make time for me. Don't make time for me. I said it many times before and I will say it again. I'm not a keyboard warrior. Okay, leave that stuff. You don't have to go all out just so you can get your message across over to me, man. Please, guys, don't do that. Change your name to your regular name and then you comment. Don't come here with creating a new account just so you can say something. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, firstly, DXY, you can see DXY has basically plummeted ever since the market fell out of this consolidation phase. We moved down, market printed an impulse. We never got that correction. We had a break below this structure. Now, the market once again printed an equal low. Now, I'm going to say this before. I've said this before and I'll say it again. I do expect a correction in the market, right? From a weekly perspective, we can see the market's also testing here the neckline of this W formation now all the way to the downside. We also broke below support over there, and obviously all of that support's now turned resistance. And if you go back on the daily time frame, we can also see now that the market is testing had tested a very important structure here as well. Now, from here, I do anticipate a pullback to the upside because we had the support that got broken over here, and once support gets broken, it then becomes a resistance as well, right? Now, next up, we're going to take a look at the German 30, right? Here, as nothing has happened ever since I've done the breakdown. So this analysis still stands. I'm still waiting for a slightly higher pullback. You can see that the market hasn't moved for the past 2 days. And then we've got the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, now the stock market has been rallying very aggressive, right? Now, we can see that the market is a long way from home, and the market printed a massive impulse. After an impulse, you expect a correction. Now, if you take the Fibonacci from the low to the high of this impulse that we have over here, the market had broken above multiple structures, and we can still expect the market to go and hit pandemic levels as it created before, right? Now on the daily time frame, you can see how the market had now broken above this very important structure over here. Pardon the interruption about that. How the market basically broken above this structure over here, right? Now, if you do look left on the daily time frame, right, if you go back over here, you will see here we had previous resistance that got created, right? Now we go back and you can see here the market is currently testing that level. I do expect today some bearish correction before any continuations again, because personally, based off my experience, and I'm not gonna say how many years of experience, because the last time some people that don't even know me anticipated that no, you can't be trading for that long. I used to trade, my friend, to say nog, when you were a peanut in the U-safe aisle, I used to trade. Vra jou pa, ek en jou pa het saam getrade. Any case, let's continue. Now, the Dow Jones also, I am probably going to get if this market pulls back, it's got a long way to go. But you can see we've got similar price action here, market broken above this very strong resistance. And also, if you look here, you can see also we broke below support, testing it as resistance. I do anticipate a slight pullback. From there, I'm going to give you guys another update. I do expect a deeper correction, but just remember, just remember this. It's not going to be a stock market crash, right? It's not going to be that. So please, it's just going to be a pullback. Even if we pull back though there, it's still not a market crash. Next up, we've got gold. Now, if you guys remember, gold printed an equal high. I said we can expect a pullback before that continuation. And that is exactly what gold did. And the analysis still stands as it is. So I do still expect this market to continue higher. And we could potentially see another pullback before that. And the reason why I say that is we've got Jerome Powell's minutes coming through. The market is going to react to that data, but I will only be able to give an update once that data gets released. That is it from my side. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for years.